right, so I just drove this in. For those of you that are asking at home, that's an 8mm hex head on there. So I went ahead and just drove that one in. Now, one thing I did is I looked. I don't plan to bolt all 4 in. There's one right there. There's one that's right here on the track. I'm not bolting all 4 in. I'm gonna bolt 3 in on each one, just because I'm not gonna be doing a ton of lateral loading back and forth. But one thing I did check, if you've watched the channel, you know I just installed this Gator USA cover, and the latches come down and hit right here. So what I did fit, just had dry fitted just now, if you lift this Unitrack all the way up, it will easily clear where it bites right here to pull your tonneau cover down. So no problems there. That's something that a lot of tonneau covers, they either sell them for people with bed racks or people that don't have the Utilitracks. So in this case, no problems. I'm gonna knock out the rest of it. I'll get back to you and let you know how it works.